Namaste. Welcome to the Real Life Planet. My name is Katha and we are at the Kala Ghoda Mumbai Arts Festival 2018. Today, we shall explore some really interesting facts about this festival from the people who have been the backbone of conducting it year after year. It is their hard work and sheer determination that this festival has become a huge success in this city. So, let's explore the festival together. Hello, sir. So I would like to ask you, what was the main motive and inspiration behind the idea of Kala Ghoda?
Kala Ghoda Association was formed with two clear objectives. One was the preservation of the heritage art district, which is Kala Ghoda, and secondly, through the preservation, creating a place for culture within the area. Those are two reasons why Kala Ghoda Association was formed. We do spend a lot of money, effort in refurbishing old buildings, in seeing that the area is up to standard. We've taken up a lot of projects in this area. The purpose then was to have a festival which started in a very small manner over a weekend with a little music and dance performance at one end of Rampart Row. We then shifted to where we have built the amphitheatre, but then had to further shift because of silent zone restrictions. So what was purely a small music and dance festival has now today evolved into a festival which has 14 verticals. It has music, dance, theatre, children's workshops, children's literature, films, architecture, food. So you name it, and it has become a huge cultural smorgasbord, if I may say so, of various activities. Now, there are certain unique features of the Kala Ghoda festival. One is that everything is open to everyone, regardless. And nobody has to pay even one naya paisa to go to any and visit any part of the festival and take part in anything. Even things like a heritage bus tour, which we pay for the buses and everything. It is free. It's on a first come, first served basis. Last evening we had a program called Dhol for Soul. And the performer Deepak Bhatt was originally, when he was a child, much younger, he used to sell the little dhols which children play with on the streets of the Kala Ghoda during the festival. And today we are proud that the same child has matured into an international artist who's on our stage. We are very proud that we are able to afford a platform to people of all, to talent which is unrecognized, to talent like Ustad Amjad Ali Khan, Ustad Zakir Hussain, Vani Ganpati, and many, many, many more. And they all come because of the spirit of Kala Ghoda.
If there is one thing that you would like to point out that you consider to be your biggest achievement in Kala Ghoda?
I think one of the achievements which we are very proud of is that this whole exercise, this whole effort is purely voluntary. Our people come together for the festival. Our curators and our volunteers and people who are looking after infrastructure and people who are dealing with the authorities. And Kala Ghoda has only a staff of 2.5 people permanent. The rest are all people who give their time and their effort selflessly because they believe in the larger cause of culture. They believe in the larger cause which Kala Ghoda Arts Festival is serving. And of course, the cooperation that we get from the people who visit the festival. This year we've not been able to hold our program at Cross Maidan for some time. We started late there. People have performed at much smaller auditoriums and they have not made even the slightest complaint about it and all. And the viewers, our patrons who come to Kala Ghoda, they've gone wherever, whenever, and they are the ones who give the talent on stage a lot of encouragement. So this is what it is all about.